Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add an author's photo in WordPress step by step. If you want to personalize your blog and make your author profile look more professional, this tutorial is for you. Now, on your WordPress dashboard, to add an author to your WordPress website, all we have to do is click on Pages in the left part of the dashboard. This is where we can see all the pages that have been created. This section will make it easy to locate and manage all your pages. Once we are here, we just need to choose the page we want to edit. If we hover over the selected pages, we will see the Edit option right away. We just need to click this, and we will be redirected to the editing page of WordPress. If we want to add authority, all we have to do is go to the sign in the upper left part of the dashboard. This is the block inserter. Here, we will be adding paragraphs, headings, lists, HTML codes, and anything else we want to include on the website, including the author. To add the author, all we need to do is click on the search bar and type author. Here, we will see two options, either the author name or the author biography. All we have to do is click on one, and then click on the autobiography so that we can have the biography and the author displayed here. Now we can customize this by editing the text and changing the preferences for the authors. This tutorial will help display an author's photo in WordPress using profile settings, Gravatar, or plugins. It will guide you through setting up the image so your posts show the proper author identity and improve credibility on your website. And that's it. You now know how to add an author's photo in WordPress.